welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I am Chellbee, the blogger behind Chellbee.com. As always, I am here on another Thursday. Every Thursday there is new videos and I like to share my Thursday thoughts on faith. Today I am going to be showing you how you can create your own digital prayer wall on your phone. This app is available on iPhone and it is available for Android, so no matter what kind of phone you have, you should definitely be able to create your prayer wall on your phone. The app I am referring to, it's called Trello. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I'm going to make sure I put the links in the blog post. And as always, you guys, you know a blog post will be below where you can go to the blog and get all the details, instructions, and all that good stuff on how to do everything that I talked about today. So it's going to be 4 really simple steps for creating your prayer wall. You're going to download the Trello app. You're going to sign in or sign up. You can sign in with like your Google account, so that makes it really easy. You're going to create a board, and then you just are going to go ahead and start writing out your prayers, and all your prayers will then be on your phone, and that way you can pray wherever you would like, whenever you would like. And you know, most of us have our phones with us a lot, so it's really helpful. And they also have a website, so even if I don't have my phone next to me, if I have my laptop, I can just pull up my prayer wall on the laptop, which is really helpful. I appreciate the fact that it's not just available on the phone, but it's also available via website. So I do like that about it. I'm going to show you guys an actual demo, but I did want to make sure I went through the steps first, just so you can really quickly know that it's not difficult. It's going to be very easy. And as always, you know, if this is your first time here, you may not know I have a series called Morning Coffee with Chellbee, where I talk about Bible study lessons that I'm learning. I also share prayers and affirmations. So when I share the blog post below, you can also find a list of some of the prayers that I've already shared with you guys. So if you need ideas for things to pray, you'll have a list in the blog post. So I hope that helps. Anyways, in addition to showing you how to create a prayer wall, I wanted to leave you with 4 really quick and easy ways or keys to strategic prayer. Tip 1 is to be specific. Now, this is something that I am still working on and trying to improve upon as I grow spiritually. Being specific during my prayers, just trying to not be like too general or broad, but really like being honest, being vulnerable enough to say exactly what it is that I need, you know, what it is that I want. Just being really open and honest with God during prayer is important. So being specific is tip 1. Right. Tip 2 is to find the promises. And by find the promises, basically whatever you're praying about, there is usually, pretty much always, scripture related to that prayer. So finding promises in the Bible that support what it is that you're praying for or in need of is really helpful. And for me, I feel like it makes me feel more confident when I'm praying to know that I can stand on scripture. So finding the promises is important, and that's going to be that is going to be key number 2 to strategic prayer. Number 3 is going to be bringing it all to God. Like I said before, just being honest, being vulnerable, just acknowledging to Him that you need Him and bringing it all to Him, because we want Him to be a part of every part of our life, not just the part that is already cleaned up and together, or like every part, the messy part, the ugly part, all of it. And tip number 4 is just really simple. Keep praying. You know, it's not something that you do and then you're like, okay, I prayed today, I'm good. You know, I ain't gotta worry about that no more. No, you want to keep praying. It should be something that you do daily. If you have it in you, you can do it multiple times a day, but definitely you want to keep praying. always, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please make sure you subscribe by hitting that little picture of me below. Also, hit the like button. Let YouTube know and let me know that you liked today's video and that it was helpful. And don't forget that sharing is caring, you guys. I know that is so cheesy. But share this with a friend or, baby. Share this with a friend. You never know who may need the encouragement. So if this video was helpful for you today, be sure to share it. And as always, you guys, be blessed and stay safe. As you can hear, my little one is fussing, so I gotta go. Until next time, you guys. I'm confused. Until next time, you guys. Bye.